wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best FPV goggles. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Fatshark Teleporter V5 provides precision dual-axis digital head tracking, a 25-degree field of view, and support for automatic NTSC PAL selection at a budget-friendly price, making it a great way to get started with FPV flying. It features a 320 by 240 resolution display and supports servo-mounted cameras. However, it does have a limited range. At number 9, incorporating both line-of-sight and first-person perspective in a uniquely transparent display, the Epson Moverio BT300 smart glasses show a great deal of promise for the future of virtual and augmented reality, but the technology still has a few kinks to work out. They provide good visibility in most conditions and are compatible with DJI products, but they come at a high price for glitchy performance. Coming in at number 8 on our list, offering enviable features like head tracking, a highly sensitive built-in diversity receiver, a DVR function, HDMI video support, and an interchangeable 16:9 or 4:3 display. The Omiide Commander can be had for about half the cost of comparable premium units. It's equipped with a ventilation fan for comfortable wear and is exceptional value for the money. However, note that a battery is sold separately. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for FPV Goggles, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Quanum DIY V2 is an affordable alternative for those who can handle a bit of the assembly on their own. It has adjustable 3-position head straps and a non-blue monitor and lens set for a fully immersive experience with up to a 1.5 magnification. It comes with an 800 by 480 superpixel display and a comfortable molded EPP foam housing. This one can be used while wearing glasses. Moving up our list to number 6. At about half the cost of bigger-name rivals, the flysight Spexman 2 comes with a 30-degree FOV picture-in-picture display and adjustable IPD for exceptional comfort and image quality that might even leave room in your budget for spare batteries and other handy add-ons. It offers an extensive transmission range, a built-in diversity receiver, and a maximum HDMI input of 1920 by 1080. Halfway up our list at number 5, offering exceptional value for a modest investment, the Yeachine Yves E800D has a separable ergonomic design with a highly sensitive 5.8 GHz 40-channel diversity receiver, an ultra-bright 5-inch LCD display, and advanced auto-searching technology. It can run for over 3 hours per charge. It features an 800 by 400 display resolution, an 82-degree visible angle, and 92% transparency. At number 4, if you want to get serious about drone racing, then the Fatshark Dominator V3 has what you need. It will give you that truly immersive flying experience you've been dreaming of. Plus, it has an 1800 mAh battery with an LED indicator, so you never run out of juice. It boasts HDMI connectivity with 720p support, multiple band receivers, and a modular design that allows for expansion. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the hardware built into a pair of DJI goggles provides an extraordinarily crisp and clean 3D viewing experience within a range of several miles for as long as 5 hours, and the Racing Edition upgrade with OcuSync transmission raises that immersiveness to the next level. It features an ultra-high video resolution and a minimal 110 to 190 millisecond latency. It can be worn comfortably over glasses. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for FPV Goggles, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, compact and affordable, the Yeachine EV100 may be the best starting point for a realistic perspective that won't weigh you down or cost nearly as much as a higher-end box headset. Featuring excellent resolution, the only drawbacks are lack of diversity and small screens. They come with a built-in defogging fan, an adjustable focal length, and automatic frequency scanning. And taking the top spot on our list, with interpupillary distance adjustment and optional diopter inserts, The FatShark Attitude V4 can be worn comfortably by users great and small with or without glasses. It has a built-in 5.8 GHz 32-channel OLED receiver with DVR and spectrum analysis for clear reception. It boasts a 32-degree field of view, a fan-equipped fog-free faceplate, and support for interlaced 3D. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for FPV Goggles, or simply click beneath this video.